In this video, how to fix Steam game not launching or opening in Windows. So for this, you need to go to library, and in this you can open which games not opening and have issues. So for this, you need to right click and go to properties, and here you can see installed file is there. You need to click the installed file, the third option, and go and verify integrity of the game file is there. You need to click it, and it will verify your files and folders of the game. So be patient, it will take time. So need to wait. Okay, so you need to wait for 100% completed, and it will verify each and every files, and after that if you have any issues it will rectify it and update it. Okay, so I'm doing video, so that's why I'm skipping. I'm going to next tab. So go to settings, so you can wait for patient to wait for the 100%. So after that you need to go to downloads. In this you need to scroll down, and you need to go with a clear data cache design. You need to click it and confirm it. Once you confirm, it will come outside of the stream. So after you need to log in, and after it will rectify it. Okay, then again a third method, you need to go to right click the stream and go to properties and go to compatibility, and here you need to check this all options should be in a disable mode. Maybe the run the program as administrator should be in enabled, but the other option should be in a disable mode. Okay, apply and click OK. And once all the these will okay, you need to check still the issues remain same, then you need to go to update drivers, and you need to check for update. Sometimes pending update and old version will causes the issues. Okay, so you need to update and install all the pending items. Download and install it if you have any pending items. Then after that you need to close it, and you need to restart it for make the effectiveness. So you need to come and restart your PC. Then after you can check the game is launching perfectly.